Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. You guys, I have not been feeling my best or very accomplished, to be honest. But I did want to shoot a update video of my fall fashion mood board just to give you the gist of where I am at the moment. Since the fall season is almost ending and the winter season is almost beginning. As you saw in the previous videos that I shot, I finished the pinafore, the Alice shirt, and a comfortable sweater. I still have to finish the gamma dress, which is a maxi dress, the Berta blazer, which I turned into a coat, and the Berta skirt and a jeans by Nightrend. I am on the struggle bus, however, with the maxi dress, the skirt, and the coat. The coat is going to be one that I need some extra help, and so I took it to sewing classes. I could show you all the rest actually. I could show you what I have. So with the Berta skirt, it is quite far. I mean, I came quite far along. I have to put in the zipper, and I'm having some problems with the hem and the vent. So I'm going to look for some resources to figure out how to do the vent. And this skirt has two vents. However, I just can't figure it out. Bird and I have love for Berta. Don't get me wrong. I have love for Berta. I, however, don't have love for the sewing description. And I mean the sewing instructions. I am always on a struggle bus with them. So that is enough about the Berta skirt. The gamma dress is pretty far along. It looks beautiful. The only issue that I have is the back. So I'm going to do the back over, and I need to do the split, and then it's done. So this one is one that I could honestly say I'm going to finish it this weekend, and I'll have a video up for you guys next weekend with my favorite part, which is the fit. And then I'm going to tell you some more about this one. So that's what I have, and I can show you a little bit of my coat. It is in pins right now, but I made a mistake on one of the pattern pieces, which is the back pattern piece. I did take it to sewing class, and the teacher helped me figure this out. So, and you guys know there's no shame in my game. I just am honest about it. It's not going to be done. I did buy a winter coat because this was supposed to be it. And it's not. And one really interesting fact is that although I said that I am feeling less accomplished, something very exciting happened to me, and that is my pinafore was featured in Seamworks snippet. And you guys, that is a big deal for me, because I was like, what? This is, but it is. And so I had put it on my my Instagram, so just go over there and check it out. That was great. That was really great. And that's the update. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye.